Good morning everyone, myself Muralidhara Reddy. In this video, we are going to discussing about how to install mobaxterm in Windows. Why we require mobaxterm? See, usually if you want to connect any Linux server, usually what we will do, we will be use putty and to connect the servers, right? Okay, if you want to connect multiple servers, you have to open the multiple putties, right? Instead of that one, using mobaxterm, you can able to connect to multiple servers at a time. Okay, this mobaxterm is a open source. We can download and we can connect this particular servers. Okay, go to Google and type it here, mobaxterm download for Windows. Okay, click this one, and here we have a link. Just click this one, and here you can select the stable version. If you take this stable version, what will happen? You won't get any issues when you are using mobaxterm. Okay, I'm selecting this one. Now it is downloading. Based on your internet speed, it will be download. Okay. If you see download is completed, I'm going to the download folder, and if you see here, it is downloaded. It is zip file downloaded. I'm unzip it. Right click and unzip. Extract file. Okay, done. Now you can open that folder. Click this one. Now here we have a application. Just double click to install in your local. It is downloading. I mean installing. If you observe here, 100% completed. Now it is open. Okay, this is the mobaxterm GUI. Now we need to connect. Okay, if you want to connect any Linux or Windows, you can connect to this one only. Here we have a session, right? Click the session. Here we have SSH. SSH is nothing but if you want to connect Linux server, we will be use SSH. For RDP, RDP is nothing but if you want to connect a Windows server, we will be use this one. Okay, in our case, I'm connecting Linux. I'm selecting this SSH. Here it is asking the host name. What is the host name? We already created one instance, running instance, that is the Linux server. Copy this public IP. Here I'm copying the public IP. In real time, we will be use private IP to connect. Give that here, and here we have to provide the username. Click this specify user, and you can provide the username. Our server is Amazon Linux, right? The default user is EC2-user. In case if the server is Ubuntu, you have to give the Ubuntu user. Okay. Then we have an option advanced SSH settings. Click this one. Here we have a use private key. Click this one. You have to upload here. Click this one. Here in this mobaxterm, you can upload either public key, PEM file or PPK file. You can upload anything, PEM or PPK. It will be support both. Usually, if you are connecting a Linux server through putty, you should be convert PEM to PPK. You have to upload PPK, right? But here mobaxterm it support both. What I'm doing here, I'm uploading this PEM file only. Just click this one, and here we have a bookmark settings. Right? Click this one. Here you can give the session name. Whatever you are giving here, you can able to see there in this left side. I'm giving here Linux server. Then okay. Now if you observe here, it left side is came right, and also in tab it's showing Linux server. I hope understand that you are connected to the Linux server. Now you can go to root user. Okay, got it right? Any question? No, right? In case if you want to change your tab name. If you want to take the duplicate tab, you can take it. Okay, if you want to see the full screen, you can see it. Okay. If you want to increase, you can increase font size just like this. Okay. Control and mouse, you can up and down. You can increase the size as well. Okay. Same in Linux, we are connecting right through putty. In mobaxterm also you can connect. In case if you want to connect another, you can take this one session. Again, you can give another server details. You can connect. Okay. Here we are using free trial. I think you can connect up to 14 servers at a time. Okay, more than 14 servers you can't connect. Okay, got it right? Any question? If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will try to respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you next video.